Okay, so today I'm going to show you here next tense, and that's what? Future perfect tense. We have done, sorry, present perfect tense. Today I'm going to show you here past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. Today we are going to have here a new tense, and that's what? Past perfect tense. Now, when do we use past perfect tense? Who can tell me? Yes, past perfect tense. When do we use it? Past perfect tense. Miss Chaitali, so quiet today. बोलत नाही आपण.
नो सर बोलताय.
आपण सगळ्यांचे बाप आहेत. बोलायचं.
येस सर.
येस. बाप आहेत का पण आई आहेत सगळ्यांचे.
आपको साथ में उसको ही जमलिंग कर दी.
मजाक कर
यस
रहा था.
सर. उस
Okay.
दिन भी ऐसा ही हुआ था. आप बोले बट का मतलब कारण, और मुझे लगा हमने क्या कारण देते स्कूल में. मैं निकला था स्कूल के लिए बट ऐसा हुआ इसलिए.
Okay, let me tell you a story. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बोलता हूँ. बहुत दिन से मैंने स्टोरी नहीं बोला आपको.
सर
Yes.
किसी बाद में ठीक है.
बोलो बोलो.
नहीं बाद में.
No, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
No.
Let me tell you one story. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बोलता हूँ, आपको समझना है, ओके? क्योंकि बहुत दिन हो गया, मैं आपको खाली स्टोरी तो मैंने बोला नहीं, बट बहुत दिन से आप लोगों ने भी अपना जरा थोड़ा दिमाग को ज्यादा जोर दिया नहीं है. आज गौर से सुनना मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, ओके? What I'm telling you, listen to me carefully, and then you tell me what you have learned from the story, okay? Is that clear?
ओके सर.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Once upon a time, in Bollywood, there was a composer, musician was there. I don't remember his name. Right now, I don't remember his name. But that composer, that musician was so great that he was so proud of him, and he never entertained even Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle as well. अब लता मंगेशकर और आशा भोसले बोले तो बहुत टॉप लेवल की सिंगर थी. यस नो?
यस
उसने
सर.
उसने उन लोग को भी कभी खड़ा नहीं किया. ऐसे खड़ा नहीं किया कभी उन लोग को भी. He never entertained them. And he was the best composer and the best, what do we say, musician of Indian cinemas. And he was so proud of him, and he was so glad that he is the best, and he can do anything, and he can just despise anyone. वो किसी को भी गिरा सकता था, किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल सकता था. One day, once, what he has decided to compose music and to play the music. But he said, my song is there, but only one person in the industry can sing that song with such craze, with such charm, with such, what do we say, enchant and captivation, that he can attract the listeners. And that man is what? Only Kishore Kumar. He said, I'm going to play the music, I'm going to compose the music, but only one singer is there who can make the song hit by his singing, by his voice, by his charms, and by his attractiveness. And who is that singer? Kishore Kumar. Do you know what Kishore Kumar did? Kishore Kumar said, I'm not going to sing for you. He requested that Kishore Kumar, please sing for me. Please sing for me. Please sing the song. The song is really very beautiful. Kishore Kumar said, okay, I'll sing for you. But there is one condition. The moment when we are going to have deal of the song, whenever we are going to make deal of the song, there shouldn't be anyone else. You and I, that's it. Neither sky nor the earth. Only you and I, that's it. Nobody will be there. Neither your driver nor your servants. Only you and I will be there whenever we are going to sign the deal. So the composer said, okay, no problem, done. As he said done, Kishore Kumar set the meeting in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of the sea. Sorry. Kishore Kumar said, I will give you the deal papers in the middle of the sea and you have to come there alone. The composer was thinking, अरे यार अभी मैंने promise कर दिया है यार, मुझे काम करके भी चाहिए. He went there in the boat. That time there were no ships. And why the person will hire the whole ship just for himself? That composer, that musician took a boat, he rowed the boat and went in the middle of the sea, and there was Kishore Kumar already waiting for him. He went there and they exchanged the papers in the middle of the sea. He has given him the papers of deal and he has signed it in the middle of the sea. Then they got back. Story end. What have you learned from the story? Yes. What have you learned from the story? आज का स्टोरी मैंने ऐसे लास्ट का क्यों छोड़ा मालूम, ताकि आप लोग को समझ में आए कुछ, तो ताकि आप लोग खुद मुझे बताओ कि आपने क्या सीखा स्टोरी से. इसके मैंने लास्ट का पार्ट उसका ज्यादा बोला नहीं, और स्टोरी फिनिश हो गया वहां पर. यस, ज्योत्सना मैम, चैताली मैम, गुड्डू भाई. Hello, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the moral of the story? Yes. Yes. What is the moral of the story? Please tell me. Hello? Jyotsna ma'am? Chaitali ma'am? Yes?
सर आप ही बोलो मॉरल.
बहुत ही सिंपल सा मॉरल है उसका.
यस सर.
अच्छा, आप लोगों ने स्टोरी पूरा सुना ना? हेलो?
यस सर.
ओके. स्टोरी जब आप लोगों ने पूरा सुना, सिंपल सा उसका मॉरल है. द मॉरल इज व्हाट? ईगो किल्स. आवर ईगो कैन किल अस. अरे अगर आप लोग देखेंगे, महाभारत के अंदर भी लिखा हुआ है, ईगो, अहंकार जो होता है वो इंसान को मार देता है. महाभारत की बुक में लिखा हुआ है ये, मैंने पढ़ा था. महाभारत की बुक में लिखा हुआ है ये ऑलरेडी कि ईगो किल्स, ईगो इंसान को मार सकता है. दैट कंपोजर, दैट म्यूजिशियन हु हैड ईगो, क्या हुआ उसके ईगो का? उसने लता मंगेशकर, आशा भोसले जैसे सिंगर लोग को भी खड़ा नहीं किया, बोले चल निकल इधर से. उसको किशोर कुमार ने क्या किया? किशोर कुमार ने उसको खड़ा नहीं किया. इतना बड़ा सिंगर मर्सिडीज बेंज में रहता था, एसी में घर में रहता था, उसको क्या करने लगाया? उसने चप्पू मार के बुलाया. कहां पे? ओशन के बीच में. यस नो? कहां पे?
Yes,
तो
sir.
वो मर्सिडीज में बैठा रहता था आराम से एकदम, चल रहे जाओ. और उसने उसको कहां बुलाया? ओशन के बीच में. क्या बोला? कोई भी नहीं आएगा. तो वो कैसे आया? वो बोट को, अब बोट को ढकलते थोड़ी लाएगा वो. बोट के अंदर आ आ आ आ आ आ बोट को क्या करे? ढकलते लेकर आया वो. पूरा ईगो उसका डाउन. सेकेंड थिंग, नेवर एवर अंडर एस्टिमेट एनीवन. वो क्या करता था? किसको भी देखता था बोलता था तेरी औकात नहीं है, तू मेरे सामने क्या गाएगा, मैं सबसे भारी, ये भारी वो भारी. किशोर कुमार ने क्या किया? उसका ईगो ही खत्म कर दिया. नेवर एवर अंडर एस्टिमेट एनीवन. हर एक बाप का एक बाप होता है कि नहीं?
यस सर.
एग्जैक्टली. जैसे भी मैंने चैताली को बोला, अपन भी माँ है. आपण सगळ्यांची आई आहे. मला तू बघा तर तुला सोडतेस कमी आहे का नाही?
यस सर.
कर घेतो. हर एक बाप का एक बाप होता है. रिमेंबर इट. कब कौन सा इंसान कब बड़ा बन जाएगा, कब कौन सा इंसान क्या बन जाएगा, हम लोग बोल नहीं सकते. यस नो? यस. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yeah, and never ever show your ego to anyone, because ego कब आपको हर्ट करेगा, ईगो कब आपको धोखा देने वाला है और ईगो कब आपको गिराएगा, बोल नहीं सकते. So remember, your ego can kill you. So better you do the best practices and always remember, never ever underestimate anyone. कभी किसी को underestimate मत करो. I hope you loved the story and you're going to admit it well.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
या कभी भी याद रखो, कोई भी इंसान को ना हमेशा एक बात याद रखना है, कभी भी अपने आप को ज्यादा भारी नहीं समझने का और कभी भी अपने आप को एकदम कम भी नहीं समझने का. यू शुड बी एवरेज, यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी एवरेज. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ऊपर वाले ने सबको दो आंख, दो कान, दो हाथ, है कि नहीं, दो पैर सबको दिए. किसी को भी ऐसा ए हाल ही भंगर है, ए हाँ छपरी है, ऐसा मत देखो कभी किसी को. बोल नहीं सकते कब कौन सा इंसान कब बड़ा बन जाए. यस नो?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is what ego kills. ईगो किल करता है लोगों को. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली उसने, किशोर कुमार ने उसका ईगो खत्म कर डाला उधर से. उसने लोगों का इज्जत नहीं किया. किशोर कुमार ने उसने उसको उसका औकात दिखाया कि तेरी औकात क्या है. गेटिंग इट? रिमेंबर दिस. चलो, नाउ past perfect tense, very one of the most important tense we are going to have today. Past perfect tense. When do we use past perfect tense? Can you please tell me? कब यूज करते हैं हम लोग past perfect tense?
When an action was complete before new action take place in.
Very good, very good, nice. What else? Yes, simple. Suppose an action started in the past, got perfected in the past, and finished in the past only, and we are talking about the that action in the present. This is called past perfect tense. Action started in the past, got perfected in the past, and we are talking about that action in the present. This is called past perfect tense. समझा? For example, अभी गुड्डू गए थे स्टेशन के ऊपर, पर ट्रेन ऑलरेडी जा चुकी थी. और गुड्डू घर पे आने के बाद बोल रहे अरे यार जब मैं स्टेशन पे गया ट्रेन ऑलरेडी जा चुकी थी. ट्रेन ऑलरेडी गेलीली होती, चली गई थी ट्रेन. दैट्स व्हाट पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. आई विल टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, पे अटेंशन. ट्रेन आई कितने बजे? 5 बजे. ट्रेन केम एट द प्लेटफॉर्म एट 5 o'clock. करेक्ट? वेटेड देयर and train left the station at 5:30. Train left the station at 5:30 and Guddu went to the station at 6 o'clock. गुड्डू कब गया था स्टेशन पर? 6 o'clock. ट्रेन कितने बजे आई थी? 5 बजे. निकली कितने बजे? 5:30 बजे. अब यहाँ पे ट्रेन है क्या?
No.
6 बजे जब गुड्डू स्टेशन पर गए थे तो भाई वहां पर ट्रेन थी क्या? नहीं थी. मीन्स वो ट्रेन आई भी और ट्रेन चली भी गई और उसके बाद गुड्डू वहां पर गया था. सो दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली ट्रेन केम and went off. Action started in the past and got perfected in the past, and action finished in the past. Action past में ही finish हो गया, उसका कोई result ही नहीं था. रिझल्ट था ही नाही उसका. पास्ट मध्ये होता, पास्ट मध्ये संपलं, सगळं काय झालं. आता प्रेझेंट मध्ये काय नाही आणि आपण त्या प्रेझेंट मध्ये आपण काय बोलतोय, त्या गोष्ट बद्दल आपण प्रेझेंट मध्ये बोलतोय, त्या टेन्स बद्दल आपण, त्या ऍक्शन बद्दल आपण प्रेझेंट मध्ये बोलतोय. त्याला म्हणतात आपण काय? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. Past perfect tense. And the formula is really very simple. Noun. What do you mean by noun?
Name of a person, thing, places.
Ideas, animals. Very good. Noun or pronoun plus had. Had plus verb third form. Verb चा घ्यायचा आपल्याला third form. That's it. Noun or pronoun plus had plus verb third form. That's it. Okay? Noun or pronoun plus verb third form, had plus verb third form. That's it. All right, that's what past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Is that clear? That's what an action in the past got started in the past, got perfected in the past, and we are talking in the present about the action. That's what past perfect tense. Now let me tell you one more thing. Abhi, for example, 4 दिन पहले आपने खाना खाया था, राइट? 4 दिन पहले, 4 दिवस अगोदर आपण काय केलं? जेवण केलं, बरोबर? आपण जेवण स्टार्ट केलं तेव्हा जेवण संपलं, त्याचा रिझल्ट आपल्या पोटात आहे का अजून?
No.
No. Means the action got started in the past, got perfected in the past, and action result also destroyed. Nothing is there. Action result is not there, and we are talking in the present about the action. That's called past perfect tense. Noun or pronoun, had plus verb third form. This is the formula. This is the formula for the tense. Let me give you one more example. मैं एक और example देता हूँ आप लोगों को. ध्यान दीजिए please. In year 2011, Congress got elected. Correct? कांग्रेस आया, कांग्रेस ने सरकार चलाया चलाया चलाया. इन 2015 कांग्रेस चले गया. करेक्ट? कांग्रेस चले गया, बीजेपी आया. करेक्ट? कांग्रेस चले गया, बीजेपी आया. कांग्रेस का अभी कुछ है क्या? नहीं है. एंड नाउ इट इज व्हाट 2020, और मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूं उसके एक्शन के बारे में. कांग्रेस हैड reigned the country. कांग्रेस had ruled the country. कांग्रेस ने कंट्री को चलाया था, चालवलं होतं आधी, आता नाही काही, अभी कुछ नहीं है. The train had departed when I went to the station. जेव्हा मी स्टेशनला गेलो 6 वाजता, ट्रेन ऑलरेडी गेलेली होती, निघालीच होती ती ऑलरेडी. तिथे नव्हती ती, ऑलरेडी निघाली होती. म्हणजे ऍक्शन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, got perfected in the past, and we are talking in the present. That's what past perfect tense. Getting it? Samjha? Samjha?
Yes, sir.
Can you please give me some more example or example or example or example? Okay, have a look here. अभी चैताली कहाँ गई है? पार्टी में गई है. चैताली की दोस्त कौन है? मनाली. अब मनाली पार्टी में आई, किसकी? वैशाली की. ओके, वैशाली ने पार्टी रखा, उसके अंदर उसने बुलाया मनाली और चैताली को. मनाली कितने बजे आई पार्टी में? शी केम एट 7 o'clock. ओके, शी केम एट 7 o'clock. हु? मनाली. शी enjoyed there, had dinner, danced there, and she left the party at 8 o'clock. 8 बजे फोन आया मनाली को और वो घर को चली गई. 8 वाजता ती निघाली. आता मनाली तिथं नाहीये पार्टीमध्ये. हाय का पार्टीमध्ये मनाली? नाहीये. पण चैताली किती वाजता गेली तिथं? 9 वाजता. जेव्हा चैताली तिथं गेली, मनाली होती का तिथं? नव्हती. म्हणजे ती 8 वाजता 7 वाजता आली आणि 8 वाजता गेली, आणि चैताली तिथं पोहोचली तिथं 9 वाजता. तर चैताली काय बोलणार इथं 9 वाजता? मनाली हॅड. लिव्हचं काय होणार थर्ड फॉर्म?
Left.
लेफ्ट. व्हेरी गुड. मनाली हॅड लेफ्ट द पार्टी. मनाली ऑलरेडी पार्टी सोडून गेलेली होती. अब इसको मराठी में क्या बोलेंगे अपन? गेली होती क्या बोलेंगे? जेव्हा मी ती
येऊन गेली, मनाली पार्टी मध्ये येऊन गेली.
करेक्ट. म्हणजे मी तिथं पोचले तेव्हा ती येऊन पण गेली ती. म्हणजे स्टार्टेड, ऍक्शन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, गॉट परफेक्टेड इन द पास्ट, and there is no result in the present now, and we are talking about the situation. Okay, let me share with you the document so that you can understand it well. मग आपल्याला कसं आहे एकदम झटक्या समजून येईल, झटकन पटकन आपल्याला कळेल की बाबा आपण काय करतोय इथं, मेन टेन्स कसला आहे आणि कसं यूज करायचं त्याला. प्रेझेंट past perfect tense, past perfect tense, past perfect. Unit number 15. See here, आली मनाली आपली इथं. past perfect tense. Study this example with a situation. Okay, study this example with the situation. Have a look here. I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, now this is what 10:30 वाजता पॉल निघतोय पार्टीमधनं आणि 11 वाजता कोण पोहोचले तिथं? सारा. दिसतं ना पिक्चर मध्ये, सारा आली आणि 10:30 वाजता हा पॉल निघालाय. सिच्युएशन काय ते बघा. सारा वेंट टू द पार्टी लास्ट वीक सारा पार्टीला गेलते. पॉल वेंट टू द पार्टी टू आणि पॉल पण गेलता. बट दे डिडंट सी इच अदर. बट त्यांनी एक दुसऱ्यांना बघितलं नाही. एक दुसऱ्यांना त्यांनी पाहिलं का?
नाही.
नाही. का बरं? पॉल लेफ्ट द पार्टी ॲट 10:30 अँड सारा अराइव्ड ॲट 11 o'clock. पॉल 10:30 वाजताच निघाला आणि सारा किती वाजता गेली तिथं? 11 वाजता गेली ती. When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul wasn't there. When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul wasn't there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. आता सेंटेन्स काय होणार? सेंटेन्स काय होणार? सारा काय बोलणार? आपण तिला फोन केला साराला. हॅलो सारा, पॉलला भेटलीस का नाही तू? सारा काय बोलणार? ही हॅड गॉन होम. अरे तो ऑलरेडी घरी पोचला, गेला, निघून गेला, तो येऊन पण गेला घरी. म्हणजे ही हॅड गॉन, हॅड प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म दिसतंय आपल्याला इथं. हॅड
Yes, sir.
प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. ही हॅड गॉन होम. हॅड गॉन इज द पास्ट परफेक्ट. कळालं? सिंपल. म्हणजे हा पॉल आला, येऊन एन्जॉय केला, 10 वाजता आलता हा, मस्त डिनर विनर केलं, डान्स वगैरे केलं आणि घरी गेला तो. आणि ती कधी आली? ती आली 11 वाजता. हा 10 वाजता आपण घरी गेलो. 10 वाजता आला, 10:30 वाजता घरी गेला आणि ती आली 11 वाजता. म्हणजे तिच्या यायच्या अगोदरच तो आला पण आणि निघून पण गेला. ऍक्शन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, गॉट परफेक्ट इन द पास्ट अँड went off, wiped off. So I, you, we, they, he, she, it, had plus verb third form, gone, seen, finished, etc. Is that clear? Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So
sir.
past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. All right. For example, sometimes we talk about something that happened in the past. Sarah arrived at the party. Simple past tense. Correct. Sarah party la pohle. But this is the story starting of the point of the story. If we want to talk about the things that happened before this, we use their past perfect tense. Sarah arrived at the party. हे काय आहे? सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स. ती पोचली. पण त्याच्या अगोदर काय झालंय त्याच्याबद्दल जर आपल्याला बोलायचं असेल तर आपण काय बोलणार तिथं? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. ओके. त्याच्या अगोदर काय झालंय ते जर आपल्याला बोलायचं असेल तर आपण काय बोलणार? दॅट्स व्हॉट पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. ऑलराइट. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. नाउ have a look here. Once again, example. See the example. When Sarah arrived at the party, Paul had already gone home. Paul already घर को जा चुका था. Paul already घरी पोचलेला होता. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So action started in the past, got perfected in the past, and nothing is there in the result in the present. That's called past perfect tense. So it is simple. Noun or pronoun, had plus verb third form. Statement, question, and negative. For example, noun or pronoun, pronoun I plus had plus verb third form. I had. आता आपण काय बोलणार? आता आपण आपला त्या दिवशी मी तुम्हाला ग्रामर शिकवलेला, बरोबर? बरोबर का नाही? कधी शिकवलेला? स्टार्ट केला पास्ट मध्ये, परफेक्ट झाला पास्ट मध्ये. त्याचा रिझल्ट आता सध्या आपल्या स्क्रीनवर आहे का ग्रामरचा?
No.
No, sir.
No.
नो. सर मी काय बोलणार तिथं? आय हॅड टीच विल बिकम टॉट. आय हॅड टॉट यू ग्रामर. मी आपल्याला ग्रामर शिकवलेला होता आधी. आणि आता आहे का? नो. I had taught you grammar. Question?
Had I?
Correct. Had I taught you grammar? And negative?
I hadn't taught you grammar.
Correct. I hadn't taught you grammar. Any doubts? Any
No, sir.
doubts? Same case. Give me one more example. असं काहीतरी झालं असेल जे लॉंग टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैम का एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. मैम का एग्जाम्पल लेंगे अपन. शी. मैम नासिक को गए थे, राइट?
Yeah.
अब मैम कब गए थे नासिक को?
Yesterday.
yesterday. मैडम जर्नी कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुआ था? Morning 6 o'clock, right?
Six. Yes, sir.
Good. Journey started in the morning 6 o'clock. Please pay attention. बहुत अच्छा example है. Please pay attention. मैम का journey start हुआ. Ma'am has started her journey in the morning 6 o'clock. Okay? 6 a.m. Then the car was going on, going on, going on. She reached there
12, sir.
12 o'clock. Okay? She reached there 12 o'clock. Correct? Now, as she reached there 12 o'clock, she met her relatives. She enjoyed there. She met them. She had good time, and she got back home. When did she got back home? Yesterday night around 11 o'clock. Okay? Example ले लेते हैं अपन. 11 o'clock मैडम रिटर्न आ गए घर पर. Journey started in the morning. Action started in the past. Got perfected in the past. आता मॅडम जर्नी मध्ये आहेत का?
No,
No.
sir.
No, she's in the class. Nothing is there in the result now. Now what is the time? It is what? 6:53. 6:53 p.m. Means what? It was yesterday she has started. Got perfected yesterday only. Action in the past. Got perfected in the past. Result was there in the past. Nothing is there in the present. Nothing is there in the present. So she
Had gone.
gone to village. Question: had she gone to village? She hadn't gone to village. Same case. She had traveled. मॅडमनी ट्रॅव्हल केलेला होता आधी. म्हणजे ट्रॅव्हल झालंय, सगळं झालंय, ऍक्शन संपली. ऍक्शनचा रिझल्ट आहे का सध्या? नो. सो दॅट्स व्हॉट पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. सो शो शी हॅड गॉन टू. क्वेश्चन:
Had she
Had
gone?
she gone
had
to
she
Nashik?
gone? Negative.
She hadn't
hadn't.
gone to Nashik.
Good. She hadn't gone. Okay. Any doubts? So had gone. Had plus verb third form. दोन्ही पण past form आहेत. फक्त ह्या टेन्स मध्ये आपण काय करणार? दोन past forms यूज करू शकता. That's what had plus verb third form. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Any doubts to anyone? Any
No,
doubts to
sir.
anyone?
No, sir.
Good. Any questions? Any
No, sir.
problems? All right. Now I want you to make sentences now with I.
Sir,
I had.
सर
Yeah.
इस सेंटेंस में yesterday वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं यूज करते. She had gone to Nasik yesterday.
We can say, no problem. She had gone to Nasik yesterday. Had she gone to Nasik yesterday? She hadn't gone to Nasik yesterday. We can say, no problem at all. We can say this. No problem at all. We can say. Okay? आपण असं बोलू शकतो, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. For example, they had. So they had, short form is what? They'd. Okay? They had ruled our India. Who? Ingres लोग. Ingres लोग. They had ruled our India. Question:
Had they ruled?
had they ruled? डायरेक्ट अपन इंडिया लिखेंगे ना. Had they ruled India? Okay. And negative?
They hadn't.
Correct. They hadn't ruled India. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No.
Any questions?
No, sir.
I want you to make sentences now with
सर
I.
had
Yeah.
they rule को ईडी नहीं लगेगा सर?
Sorry. Had they ruled India? They hadn't ruled India. Correct. Thank you, ma'am. So this is exactly, they had ruled India. Had they ruled India? They hadn't ruled India. I had, for example, madam can say that. Madam had done her graduation. When did you do this, man? Graduation yours? When have you
94.
completed?
94 sir.
94. Oh wow. It's my birth year.
Oh sir.
So she had completed her graduation. Means what? Action was there in the past, got perfected in the past, action completely finished. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So she had completed her graduation in 1994. Good. At the time, ma'am, when you were studying there, I could believe that time studying was very hard.
Yes, sir.
It was really very tough. Now it became very easy. Only
Yeah.
that people have to that they have to practice and they have to just do and they have to just concentrate. But at that time, people were not so educated, and educating at the time was really very tough. My parents say this. My mother always say this, that at that time educating, my father said, my even my uncle said this, educating at the time was really very tough, because at the time there were no means there were no so many colleges and schools were there, and though there weren't so people were not aware of education this much at the
Sir,
time.
actually, my father was teacher, sir, because that's why in our home all my relatives वगैरह all are the educated, sir.
Wow, great. And mama?
She's housewife, sir. She's ninth standard तक पढ़ी है वो भी.
Wow, means what? She was also just means
Yes,
I
sir.
could say it was really great, because she, what could be her age?
My mother's now 71, sir.
Wow, 71. So means what she has done at that time, class 9. It was also a great thing. And your
Yes,
father
sir.
was a teacher, right?
Yes, sir. उस टाइम में सर आफ्टर 11th एक कोर्स होता था STC करके, वो उन्होंने किया था, फिर वो टीचर हुए थे.
Okay, okay, okay. That's really great. Amazing. Nice, nice. Keep up. Educated family. Good. Okay. Can you please give me some sentences now with I?
I had made
I.
cookies. Had I made cookies? I hadn't made cookies.
Good.
I had ate lunch. Had I
Eaten.
eaten? Okay, sir.
Yeah. Verb third form.
I had
Eaten.
eaten lunch. Had I eaten lunch? I hadn't eaten lunch.
Good. Have I sent you this file to all of you? The new file?
न्यू फाइल नहीं मिला सर. न्यू नहीं मिला सर, पुराना दिया था आपने.
I'll send you just now. Don't worry. I'll send you just now. Okay. Now I want you to make sentences with these words. Had. I had.
I had seen the lion. Had I seen the lion? I hadn't seen the lion.
Good. I had seen the lion. Had I seen the lion? I hadn't seen the lion. Next.
I had called my mother. Had I called my mother? I hadn't called my mother.
Very good.
I had distributed sweets. Had I distributed sweets? I hadn't distributed sweets.
I had written a. I
Very
had
good.
written a letter. Had I written a letter? I hadn't written a letter.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
I had
I
answered
had
the question.
written. I had written a letter. Had I written a letter? I hadn't written a letter.
I had
Yes.
slept. Had I slept? I hadn't slept.
Very good.
I had answered the question. Had I answered the question? I hadn't answered the question.
Good.
I had taken the toffee. Had I taken the toffee? I hadn't taken the toffee.
Very good.
I had worn this dress. Had I worn this dress? I hadn't worn this
I had
dress.
spoken a speech.
Very
Had
good.
I spoken a speech. I hadn't spoken a speech.
Good. I had offered a speech. Had I offered a speech? I hadn't offered a speech. Next.
I had
Yes.
decided the meeting. Had I decided the meeting? I hadn't decided the meeting.
Very good.
I had heard this song. Had I heard this song? I hadn't heard this song.
Very good.
I had cut the hair. Had I cut the hair? I hadn't cut the hair.
Very good. Yes. Yes.
I had concluded the story. Had I concluded the story? I hadn't concluded the story.
Very good. Concluded the story.
भर गया। याद नहीं।
Yes.
I had woken early in the morning. Had I woken early in the morning, I hadn't woken early in the morning.
Very good.
I had congratulated to sir. Had I congratulated to sir, I hadn't congratulated to sir.
I had thrown
Very
the
good.
ball. Had I thrown the ball, I hadn't thrown the ball.
Very good.
I had shown this dress. Had I shown this dress, I hadn't shown this dress.
Very good. Can you please give me sentences with he, she? He had, she had.
She hadn't written letter. Had she written letter? She hadn't written
Written. She had written a letter. Had she written a letter? She hadn't written a letter.
She had spoken in Spanish language. Had she spoken in Spanish language, she hadn't spoken in Spanish language.
Very good.
She had taken the dress. Had she taken the dress, she hadn't taken the dress.
He had
Very
met
good.
me. Had he met me? He hadn't met me.
Good. Yes.
She had sent this book. Had she sent this book, she hadn't sent this book.
Very good.
She had brought vegetables. Had she brought vegetables, she hadn't brought vegetables.
Very good. Yes. Make sentences, please. He,
She had cut the fruits. Had she cut the fruits, she hadn't cut the fruits.
Good.
She had come in get together. Had she come in get together, she hadn't come in get together.
Good.
Same होगा क्या sir?
Same. She had got together. Is not get. Yes. She had.
She had wrote the letter. Had she wrote the letter,
No.
she hadn't wrote.
Written.
Okay sir.
She had written. Third form. Yes. Is she? She had.
She had given
Bribed.
the money. Had she given the money, she hadn't given the money.
Good. Yes. He had apologized. Had he apologized? He hadn't apologized. She had helped. Had she helped? She hadn't helped.
She had token. Had she token? She hadn't token.
Taken.
Taken. Sorry.
She had taken. Had she taken? She hadn't taken. Next. She had died. Had she died? She hadn't died.
She had dried the
consumed.
clothes.
Had she dried?
Dried the clothes. She hadn't dried the clothes.
Correct.
She had earned. Had she earned? She hadn't earned.
Very good.
She had cut the vegetable. Had she cut the vegetables, she hadn't cut the vegetable.
Vegetables.
She had
Very good.
a mobile. Had she rung a mobile? She hadn't rung a mobile.
Very good.
She had deserved. Had she deserved? She hadn't deserved.
Deserved.
She had made the pizza. Had she made the pizza, she hadn't made the pizza.
Very good. Yes. It had dropped down. Had it dropped down? It hadn't dropped down. They had denied. Had they denied? They hadn't denied. It had deprived. Had it deprived? It hadn't deprived. It had despised. Had it despised? It hasn't despised. Yes.
It has crushed. Has it crushed? It hasn't crushed.
Had. It had crushed. Had it crushed? It hadn't crushed. Yes.
It had fallen. Had it fallen? It hadn't fallen.
Very good.
It had flied. Had it flied? It hadn't flied.
Good.
He had bitten. Had he bitten? He hadn't bitten.
Very good. Yes.
She had digested. Had she digested? She hadn't digested.
Good.
She had seen. Had she seen? She hadn't seen.
Very good.
She had entered in the class. Had she entered in the class? She hadn't entered in the class.
Very good.
It had flown, had it flown, it hadn't flown.
Flown. Good.
She had lost the opportunity. Had she lost the opportunity?
The opportunity.
She had.
She hadn't lost the opportunity.
She hadn't lost the opportunity.
Good. Yes.
She had understood the language. Had she understood the language? He hadn't understood the language.
Very good. Yes. She had departed at 6. Had she departed at 6? She hadn't departed at 6.
She had swung the. Had she swung the? She hadn't swung the. Swung.
Very good. He had filled the water. Had he filled the water? He hadn't filled the water. They had extinguished the fire. Had they extinguished the fire? They hadn't extinguished the fire. Yes.
It had jumped in the water. Had it jumped in the water? It hadn't jumped in the water.
Very good. Yes.
It had hunted. Had it hunted? It hadn't hunted.
Very good. Yes.
He had stolen on the bus stop.
Had it stolen?
Had it stood? Had he
Stolen.
no sir, stood
Stood. Yes.
Sir, exaggerate का meaning क्या है?
Exaggerate means what? बड़ा चढ़ा कर बोलते ना, फेंकते एकदम बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं एकदम, म्हणजे ऐसा लगता है कि वो ट्रू नहीं है, कुछ तो झूठ बात कर रहे हैं. म्हणजे हम लोग बोलते ना, अरे मी काल रात्री चंद्रावर गेलतो, तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे exaggerated. I got 99% in my class 10. Exaggerated. Exaggerated. For example, the company exaggerated the mobile plans. Yes. Yes.
She had
They
filled
had.
the water. Had she filled the water? She hadn't filled the water.
Very good. Fill the water. Next.
He had stood on the bus stop. Had he stood on the bus stop? He hadn't stood on the bus stop.
Good.
Sir, ill treat का क्या होगा sentence?
Ill-treat. For example, they had ill-treated the criminal. Had they ill-treated the criminal? They hadn't ill-treated the criminal. Means what? इन लोग के साथ में बेकार स्वभाव करना.
She had sung a song. Had she sung a song? She hadn't sung a song.
Correct.
It
For
had
example,
found a banana.
the company had ill-treated the employees. They haven't given them the bonus. They haven't given them the treatment and the holiday. So they have ill-treated the employees. Had they ill-treated the employees? They hadn't ill-treated the employees. Yes.
He had shut your mouth. Had she shut your mouth? She hadn't shut your mouth.
Correct. Chaitali.
It had found a banana. Had it found a banana? It hadn't found a banana.
Very good. Yes, please. Yes, please.
It had
It had.
disappeared. Had it disappeared? It hadn't disappeared.
Very good. Can you please make sentences with you, with a? You had, we had, they had. They had
You
laughed
had-
at me. Had they laughed at me? They hadn't laughed at me.
You had
ते
explained the
माझ्यावर
story.
हसलेले होते. Correct. You had explained the story. Continue, ma'am.
You had explained the story. Had you explained the story? You hadn't explained the story.
We
Good.
had fought people. Had we fought people? We hadn't fought people.
Very
You
good.
had jumped from tree. Had you jumped from tree? You hadn't jumped from tree.
From the tree.
They had know about me. Had they know about me? They hadn't know about me.
Good.
You
They
had
had known
feared
about
for.
me.
You
They
had
had,
feared. You
yeah.
had feared for animals. Had you feared for animals? You hadn't feared for animals.
They had done the homework. Had they done the homework? They hadn't done the homework.
Correct. They had done the homework.
You have faced many problems. Had you faced many problems? You hadn't faced many problems.
There are many problems.
They had drunk. Had they drunk? They hadn't drunk.
Very good.
You had laughed. Had you laughed? You hadn't laughed.
Laughed. Very good. Yes.
You had failed in this exam. Had you failed in the exam? You hadn't failed in the exam.
Very good.
They had left the lecture. Had they left the lecture? They hadn't left the lecture.
Very good.
We had lost the catch. Had we lost the catch? We hadn't lost the catch.
Good.
You had kicked the ball. Had you kicked the ball? You hadn't kicked the ball.
They had paid the money. Had they paid the money? They hadn't paid the money.
Good.
We had read a book. Had we read a book? We hadn't read a
Read.
book.
Read a book. We had read a book. Had we read a book? We hadn't read a book. So, by the way, do you have any questions regarding this? About this tense? I'm going to continue this tense once again tomorrow so we can finish it well. And I'm going to show you tomorrow how to speak up, and you are going to just speak up on a topic tomorrow. Okay, choose any topic. I have sent you the PDF of IELTS speaking already. Choose one topic to speak up, and we are going to continue this tense tomorrow just to finish it, and just we are going to speak up tomorrow. All right, please don't be absent. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think I have given a good what do we say, the topic to you that you can speak up on your most memorable day of your life. Okay, ma'am?
So which topic, sir?
The most memorable day of your life. All right, Miss Chaitali, Mr. Guddu.
Yes,
And
sir.
sir, past perfect में होगा क्या ये topic?
होगा ना, पहले पास्ट परफेक्ट पढ़ाऊंगा मैं, उसको फिनिश करेंगे एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू टू स्पीक अप.
तो कब बोलना है
Yeah.
सर? कल क्या?
कल बोलना है, कल.
सर मंडे करो ना.
नहीं 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 नहीं, मंडे नहीं, कल बोलना है अपने को. ओके, बहुत टाइम है अभी अपने पास, पूरे पूरे 12 घंटे, 24 घंटे अपने पास. रात भर सोने का नहीं, नो चैटिंग, नथिंग, ओनली प्रैक्टिस करना है टू स्पीक अप. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक अप इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल डे ऑफ माई लाइफ.
सर वो पूरा टॉपिक पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में आएगा?
ऐसा जरूरी भी नहीं है. एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग टॉपिक इज डिफरेंट एंड ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, बट मैं आपको पहले एक बार कल पढ़ाऊंगा वापस से, सो वी कैन जस्ट हैव sentences on them once again and then we are going to go for the next. Okay?
Yes, sir.
सर
Yeah.
अगर आपको कुछ भेजा था देखो ना, मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे बोलना. वो मैंने फोल्डर चेक करा, मेरे को नहीं मिले वो 21, 22, 23 के.
देखना पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली वो वीडियोस मैं नहीं अपलोड करता हूँ, मैम अपलोड करती है, तो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, उनसे बात करना पड़ेगा, देखता हूँ मैं क्या है क्या नहीं.
मैंने चेक करा, मेरे को नहीं मिला, अपलोड नहीं.
फिलहाल में भी आप वीडियोस वगैरह मत देखो. आज आप खाली क्या करेंगे, टॉपिक प्रिपेयर करो. ओके?
Speaking practice.
Yeah, speaking practice and I'll be asking you tomorrow. You have to speak up in front of the camera.
सर
All right?
दूसरा कोई नहीं ले सकते टॉपिक?
No, कल ये टॉपिक के ऊपर बोलना है सबको. Most memorable day of my life. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Cheerio, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.